Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable reminders in the IM application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the settings section, click on the reminders button. And as you can see, these are the reminders that you can enable. So just click on the white circle next to the ones that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.